Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we are going to be making Loki, which is a kind of like a squash. It's called gourd squash or OPA squash, and this is how it looks like. You can find it in most Asian markets. It's so delicious and yummy. It's one of my favorite vegetables. So in a pot, I'm just warming it on medium heat, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of overflowing sliced onions. And we're going to cook these until they're brown and caramelized. And in the meantime, I'm just going to peel this, sort of like a potato, just using a peeler. It peels really easily, and cut them into 1/4 inch rounds. Once the onions are brown and caramelized, we are going to start adding our diced tomatoes. We added about 1.5 cups of diced tomatoes, and we're cooking it down. You can see how much liquid the tomatoes have released. And once they start getting soft, I've just been smushing them with the back of the spoon. Now I'm going to add our spice blend and mix this well. Make sure it's all incorporated into the tomato onion sauce. And then to this, we're going to add our sliced Loki, which we cut like 1/4 of an inch thick. It'll equal about 4 cups roughly. So now to the Loki, we're going to add about 1/4 of a cup of water for right now. We're going to kind of mix it well, and then cover it, lower the heat, and we're going to kind of let it simmer and cook for about an hour. You can add more water as the time goes on, about 1/4 of a cup, but for right now we're just going to lower the heat. So all throughout the cooking process, you kind of want to just check in, make sure you mix it thoroughly to make sure there's enough water for the Loki to cook in. And you want to be careful when you are mixing, because you don't want to break up these beautiful rounds. So you want to stir the Loki gently. And after an hour, this is how it looks. It smells so wonderful. You can smell all the spices, and the Loki or the squash has gotten really soft and tender, but still kept its shape, because you still want that beautiful shape. You don't want it to turn into mush. So yeah, I hope you guys try it out. If you guys like it, comment and subscribe, and let me know how it goes. Share your pictures. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we are going to be making Loki, which